In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sites, how to create Contact Us page. By the end, you'll have a dedicated place where visitors can reach out, which is essential for credibility and support. First, open your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, then head to your site's editor so you can work in the live builder. If you have multiple sites, pick the one where you want the Contact Us page to live. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your site preview in the center and the editing tools along the right side. Next, look to the right panel and choose the Pages tab. This is where your site's structure lives, and it controls what appears in your navigation. At the bottom right of the Pages panel, click the plus icon to add a new page. Think of this as creating a fresh canvas that will slot into your main menu or side navigation, depending on your site's layout. If you don't see the plus icon right away, scroll the panel to the bottom or slightly widen it so the controls are visible. When the new page dialog appears, type Contact Us as the page name. Keep it short, clear, and consistent with the rest of your site's labels. Using Contact Us helps visitors immediately understand where to go when they need assistance, want to request a quote, or have general questions. You can use capitalization that matches your brand style, but plain Contact Us is universally understood and looks clean in most themes. If your organization uses variations like Get in Touch, that's fine too, but Contact Us is the most recognizable. After you've entered the name, click Done. Google Sites will add the page to your site's page list and place it in your navigation automatically. You'll see the new Contact Us page appear in the Pages panel, and it will be available for you to design in the main canvas. Changes in Google Sites save as you edit, so there's no need to hunt for a manual save button. If your navigation is already crowded, remember you can reorder or nest pages later to keep things tidy. That's it. The Contact Us page is created and ready for content. In your usual workflow, you can publish updates when you're ready to make the page visible to your audience. In a future video, we'll cover what to include on this page, like a clear message, a form, and helpful contact details, so visitors can reach you with confidence.